Niagara Falls is a breathtaking natural wonder that attracts millions of visitors each year, offering a truly unforgettable experience for anyone fortunate enough to witness its grandeur. Located on the border between Ontario, Canada, and New York, USA, the falls are a collective name for three waterfalls: Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls. Each one has its own unique beauty and character, and together they create a spectacular panorama that captivates the imagination of visitors. As you approach the falls, the roaring sound of water rushing over the cliffs grows louder, building anticipation for the incredible sight that awaits. The mist rising from the falls can be seen from miles away, shimmering in the sunlight like a veil of diamonds. This ethereal mist is one of the first things tourists notice, adding an almost magical quality to the experience of being near the falls. Visitors often begin their journey by taking a leisurely stroll along the pathways that line the Niagara River, offering stunning vantage points of the cascading waters. The close proximity to the falls allows tourists to feel the power of nature, with the spray of water often reaching the pathways, cooling their faces on warm summer days. One of the most popular attractions is the Maid of the Mist boat tour, which brings passengers as close as safely possible to the base of the falls. Donning blue rain ponchos, visitors embark on an exhilarating ride that leaves them soaked and awestruck by the sheer power and volume of water tumbling down from above. The sensation of being surrounded by the thunderous roar of the falls and the refreshing spray is an unparalleled experience that lingers in the memory long after the trip is over. For those seeking a different perspective, the journey behind the falls offers a chance to walk through tunnels carved into the rock behind Horseshoe Falls, where visitors can stand just meters away from the crashing water and feel the vibrations reverberating through the rock walls. Niagara Falls is not just about the waterfalls themselves. It is a vibrant destination filled with a variety of attractions and activities for all ages. Clifton Hill, often referred to as the Street of Fun, is a bustling area full of entertainment options, including arcades, wax museums, and themed restaurants. Families and couples alike can enjoy the lively atmosphere, where neon lights and music create a carnival-like ambiance. For a more tranquil experience, the Niagara Park's Botanical Gardens offer a serene escape, with beautifully landscaped gardens and a renowned butterfly conservatory, where thousands of colorful butterflies flutter around visitors in a lush, tropical setting. Adventure enthusiasts can take part in activities such as zip-lining across the Niagara Gorge, or hiking along scenic trails that provide breathtaking views of the falls and surrounding landscapes. The Niagara Skywheel, a giant Ferris wheel, offers a bird's-eye view of the falls and the surrounding area, particularly enchanting when illuminated at night. One of the most remarkable aspects of Niagara Falls is its ever-changing appearance, which varies with the seasons. In the summer, the lush greenery and vibrant flowers add a lively contrast to the powerful blue-green waters. Autumn transforms the area into a picturesque scene with fiery red, orange, and yellow foliage, creating a stunning backdrop for the falls. Winter brings its own unique charm, as the mist from the falls freezes, forming intricate ice formations that glitter in the sunlight. The frozen cascades and snow-covered surroundings create a magical, almost otherworldly atmosphere. Spring, with its blooming flowers and budding trees, symbolizes renewal and offers a sense of freshness and vitality to the area. No matter the time of year, Niagara Falls offers an unparalleled natural spectacle that leaves visitors in awe. The falls have also become a favorite destination for couples and honeymooners, earning the nickname the honeymoon capital of the world. The romantic allure of the falls, combined with the luxurious hotels and fine dining options available in the area, makes it a perfect destination for those celebrating love. Candlelit dinners overlooking the illuminated falls and cozy carriage rides through the park are just a few of the romantic experiences that draw couples to this iconic location. Beyond the romance, Niagara Falls is also steeped in history and legend. Stories of daredevils attempting to conquer the falls in barrels, as well as the indigenous legends that surround the formation of the falls, add an element of intrigue to its allure. Subscribe this channel, share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want more travel tips and inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos. I've got heaps of adventures to share.